In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this kind of typography inside Canva, and this will be the easiest method how you can do. So let's start. So first of all, we will create a blank document, any size you can take. Now we will import our image. For example, here I'm using a banana. You can also use the same image or different image. Now resize it. That's it. Now download this image. Okay. Now we will add a text. To add a card text inside Canva, you need to go to apps and then type add text, and then you will get this option, text smith. So install this app. Now inside here you need to write what you want to add here. For example, I'm using that banana, so I'm writing banana. Then you can choose the font. I'm using baby on font, and from here you can change the color. So I'm using black color. You can also change the line color to black, so it will be more bold. That's it. Now you need to match the curvature with the banana. To do this, easiest way, first insert a text inside your page, and then you try to match with the design that we have, and if there is something wrong, we can always change with it. So as you can see, there is a little gap just below the A. So what I can do now, I will just select, go here, and just drag it a little to match with my banana. Now click on insert again. I will delete the previous one, and again I will try to match. Now it's okay, but as you can see on the top and on the right side top, we both places we don't have this. So I will make a little adjustment. So now you can see this text completely matched with the curvature of the banana. Now what we'll do, we'll just delete the banana image and then just download this image as it is. Okay. Now we'll delete this image also. Now we'll import the first image that we downloaded, this one, and fill it like this. Now search for blend image. Now from here you need to choose the bottom layer as the banana, this one, and for the top layer we'll choose the black text that we downloaded. Now we can see we have this design here, just import it. That's it. Now we will just crop the image to show the side of the banana like this, and we'll again just crop this side like this. Okay, now as you can see there is a little white part just right here. If you want to remove this, just duplicate this layer, then place it. Now we will just move it like this, also crop it here. Now select the below layer and crop it like this. Now choose this one and remove the background. Now if you want to add a drop shadow just below this, just go to elements and search for drop shadow, and you will find this kind of shadows inside graphics. You can choose any of these. So that's it. This is how you can do this kind of typography effect inside Canva. And I hope you like the video, and if you want to learn more, please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.